Hello and welcome. It's 27 December. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Hindu newspaper. In the first page, we have India flags attack on minorities in Bangladesh. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have US struck IS in Nigeria, says Trump. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have government conveys concern to US over cancellations of H1B visa interviews. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have government ruling a revival of shared cab rides to curb pollution. Again, we say CM. Again, very important for environment perspective. Then we have 4 fire incidents reported in a day. One person dies. Again, very important for infrastructure perspective. Moving forward, we have Rajasthan town on edge after anti-encroachment drive turns violent. Internet shutdown. Again, very important for security perspective. Then we have teach children about heroes from Indian epics, not Spider-Man or Batman, says Naidu. Again, very important for history perspective. Then we have tiger that terrorized tribal village trapped in Wayanad. Again, very important for environment perspective. Moving forward, we have invasive mosquito species threatens India's 2030 malaria elimination goal. Again, very important for environment perspective as well as health perspective. Then we have India's small business credit resilient and perked up. Again, very important for economic perspective. Then we have Indigo faces 13 lakh GST related penalty. Again, very important for economic perspective. Then we have the world page where we have US struck IS forces in Nigeria after group targeted Christians, says Trump. Again, very important. Then we have blast in Alawite Mosque in Syria's Homs kills 8. Then we have fuel shortage forces Gaza hospital to suspend services. Then we have China hits US defense firm with sanctions. Lastly, we have Thai Prime Minister says minister to attend truce talks with Cambodia as Phantom fail. Claim new strikes. All these things are very important for international relations perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.